Thank you. Good morning. All right. Good morning. Thank you. George, how are you? Go back to the kitchen and allow you try and allow for the perfection of the sham spell.
Thank you, sir.
And then we will find out after. Go for Brian.
Thank you, sir.
That's all. That's all. Would you like a couple of what you say? Are we? Very wonderfully packaged submissions, and I thank you all for all this support.